Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-100088-7 on PS5. Method 1. Use DNS and change MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Go to Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option depending on how you connect. It can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Google DNS. Select Primary DNS and type 8.8.8.8. Select Secondary DNS and type 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Then try play game or app and see if problem is fixed. If not working, one more time, go back here. After that, select MTU settings, then select Manual. Select MTU, then change to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. Try play game or app and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Update PS5 system software. Select Settings from the home screen. Navigate to System. Go to System Software. Go to System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall the game, app. Go to Settings. Select Storage. Now delete the game data of the game that had the error. After that, try reinstalling the game and see if the error code CE-100088-7 is fixed. If not, then use another account, then try delete the game data and reinstall it. Method 4. Clean the disk carefully and try again. If your version of PS5 does not use disks, please skip this method. Your disk might be dirty and need cleaning. Use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disk on another PS5 and check whether it works fine or not. If it does, then the PS5 system might have some corrupted, damaged files that must be repaired. Method 5. Rebuild database. You need go to safe mode. You have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Now, connect the controller with the USB cable. Now, press the PS button on the controller. Here, go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. Method 6. Try with different network. You need to do this to rule out the possibility that the problem is caused by the strict security features of some modems, routers. Try using a different internet network, such as your neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data, etc. Also, if possible, try replacing the router you are using with another one. After that, if the problem is completely gone, then contact your internet service provider and ask for their assistance. You can also try resetting the router to factory settings. Just find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on. This should reset all your router settings to what they were when it first came out of the box. Finally, if the problem persists, then try factory reset PS5 before contact PlayStation support for help. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.